I would say 90% of the structures between the beach and the railroad in Biloxi, Gulfport, Long Beach, and past Christian are totally destroyed. They're not severely damaged, they're simply not there. As the water rose in Bay St. Louis, as the water rose in Biloxi Bay, it destroyed houses, structures on both sides of both those bodies of water. Of course, the bridge on 90 to Bay St. Louis is completely gone, and the big bridge on 90 between Point Cadet, or what used to be Point Cadet, and Ocean Springs is completely gone.
I just want you to know that when I'm thinking about how we can help this part of the world, Mississippi is on my mind. Mississippi is a part of the future of this country, and part of that future is to help you get back up on your feet.